This is a P38 German pistol, World War II vintage, and in this video I will show you how to disassemble this particular pistol for cleaning, and most importantly how to put it back together. Okay, so in disassembling any type of firearm, you make sure that the chamber is empty of any round, and with a P38 you can actually see that there's no way for the round to hide. It's just open, so you know that it's empty. Okay, in this case, once it's open, you just take out the magazine. Okay, and then this little lever here, you see this little lever right here, you push, you change the direction of it. Okay, you can actually you see the groove lined up with this groove here. Okay, and then what you do is you slide this back. Okay, and the thing should come out. Put the hammer back, this hammer right here, and the whole thing should come out. Okay, and basically this is it for cleaning. You can further disassemble this pistol by taking this out. Okay, taking this out. That will expose the barrel, or the what do you call it? The actual bore. See, for cleaning. Okay. So once you're done, it's very simple. This is the reason why this particular pistol was made, is for simplicity. Okay. So once you're done, you simply put it back. It's not as simple as it seems. You see, everything is lined up. Okay, if you won't go in, you got to push this little thing here. Push it out. It should go in like that, and then push it back down. Push this back down so that it'll fit the handle part. Okay. So again, everything just slides back. Everything is clean. Everything slides back in place, right? And then in order for you to put the pistol back, again, remember this little lever here. So you cock it back, and then you put this back where it came from, right here. And that's it. You got yourself a fully assembled P38. Okay?